Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab because most of you are facing issue. So here is the updated tutorial for it. Once you click on Start Lab, open the console incognito window. And if you want this yellow check my progress bar, you can check the video description how to enable check my progress bar. Now wait for the console to open. Here mostly you have to click on I understand. Now from here just click on I agree and continue, and simply here click on it to activate the Cloud Shell. Now let me just change the appearance to light mode so that it's clearly visible for everyone. Okay, now click on continue and just authorize yourself. Also do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now once the Cloud Shell is ready, come to the lab instruction, come to task number 1 and enable the Cloud Scheduler API. So just paste it, hit enter. Now once it is successfully enabled, just try to check the score and copy the code from the second number to clone the repository where all our resources are present. Now just export the project ID, etc. We are exporting the project ID and region over here. Now just change the directory and just export the values. After that, just create two static IP address. So by running these two commands, we are creating the static IP address, out of which one is unused and other is used. Now just try to check the score. You can see both are being created still. So we got the score. I just export the value. And then we have to create a virtual machine in US East 1D. It might be different for you, the region, but the configuration will always be same. And if they update, you have to simply select from here and run over here and wait for a few minutes. So finally, after a few seconds, it is created. Now just check the score and come down over here. Now just disable the Cloud Functions API by running this command, and after that we'll just re-enable it. So just enable it again, and now open the notepad, any online notepad or personal notepad. So now here from the lab instructions, we have to copy this code, paste over here, and from here we have to update the project ID. Just follow as I am doing. Just update from here to here and here to here. Now carefully select entire content, close the notepad, come to the Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Now wait for the permission to get enabled. So it's done. Now from here, just run this command to deploy the function. And if you get error, just rerun this command again. So it will take some time. Just type Y, hit enter. First of all, it's enabling the API. Then after that, we'll get another option to just type Y. I think it will be unauthenticated invocations. So just type Y again and hit enter. Now this will again take 3 to 4 minutes. So you need to wait for it. Now here you can see the function is successfully deployed. Now let's come over here and check the score. Now just run this command to set the trigger as environment variable. After that, we have to create app engine. So just copy this code, paste over here, and we are creating the app engine. It will take some time. So finally, we have created the app engine app. Now we have to create a cloud scheduler job. So just copy this, paste over here. Okay, hit enter. So finally here the output is generated. If you are getting error, just try to restart the lab and try again, or just rerun the command. Now let's try to check the score, and after that we have to just run the job. So just copy this command and paste it, enter. So we run this command and paste it and hit enter. So this will take some time, you can wait. Okay, So this task may take time. So how you can verify? Just come over here. So it has not been started. So just click on it. Okay, so let me just do one thing. Come back and just click on this story dot force run. Now it will be started. If you have clicked on force run, it will surely start. Just wait for some more time. So this starts take some more time. You need to wait for it. So it will take some time, and once you see the status as success, come over here and check the score. Now after that, you can see we completed the lab without any issue. So do like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day ahead.